Yeah, g'day. Yeah, g'day. Yeah, g'day. Yeah, g'day. Oh, beauty. Yeah, g'day. Weather's pretty shit, so we don't really know what we're doing today. TGI Fridays is giving 100 free burgers, so we're gonna give that a shot. If there's a line, we'll fucking bail on that real quick.
Yeah, nah.
There's a big old line, so that's out. So we didn't get free burgers, but we found a place that'll do free wings. So we're gonna give it a shot. Bang. See, what we also did was, we said it was Peach's birthday today. And here we go, to credit to get free beers. How good. The day of free continues. Just got offered this for the bar staff.
Free Palmer. It's a fucking palmy. Fuck.
Alright, we're continuing the day of free by heading down to Tally, getting the drones out. We'll probably have to fight them or something spectacular. But yeah, it'll be Peachy's first little drone on the coast.
We'll just come down to, oh, wait, where are we?
Tally Creek.
Yeah, so just come down to Tally Creek and get the drones up for a little bit, do the cinematic stuff. Brandon almost lost a toe because he's silly. And he does the hand launch like you should.
What do you mean?
We've been treating weekdays like the weekend. We've been treating weekdays like the weekend. We've been treating weekdays like the weekend.
Well, what the fuck happened there, Peachy?
So I had this perfect idea of going over, flying under the bridge, coming up, big half circle, then a big panning shot, just to show where we're at. Get to the bridge, line everything up, start going under the bridge, and then a whole heap of interference. And the drone on the screen just went, hap, hap, hap. I think it was thirsty, so a bit warm, wanted to go for a swim.
Oh, we're trying to find Peach's drone, but it's not looking good. It's been here 48 hours and it's gone.
I have a feeling it was here. Shit happens. Well, thanks anyway for that. Thanks, mate.
Well, Peachy, we had a plan today to keep it to 50 bucks a pop because that's what we're going to earn tonight. I think you've blown that out the, well, you've blown that in the water.
Yeah. About $1,000 down now. Let's see what last one.
Well, like that was fun for me, so I get to fly my drone, and I actually packed it up and put it in the bag. But unfortunately for Peachy, well, I don't know what, his drone must have been hot or something, but it's swimming, it's gone. We had a look. Just trying to find exactly where it is.
It's a bridge.
After those incidents in the water, we're gonna go into Bolter, see Tommy, drown Peachy's sorrows just like he drowned his drone. Fuck. Just quietly sitting down, and the mist pours. All right, we'll take it, mate.
Well, we're 20 bucks up, 20 bucks down out of our 50, and then we went to the beach, and then I'm now down 1,020, and then we got free beer, so I'm still down 1,020.
All right, had a few beers. Now we're off to the to Lupe to take photos. You got a bit, you got heaps of room. Keep coming, keep coming, keep. A little bit more. Yeah, you're good. You're good. We finished up beers at Bolter. Thanks, Tommy, for the hookup. Now we got our Uber driver, Mitch.
Hello.
Been doing this long?
Yeah, a couple of years now.
What do you study?
Doctorate.
Oh,
Is that even a thing?
he's lying to us. And now we're heading to Tupaloha to do some photos for some food and money. Yeah, you dirty little cocktail. Working for the boy. Working for him. Dirty cocktail. Hey Peachy,
Oh.
I'm up $30.
Well, I'm down 1,030.
Shit odds.